Another place that genetics is interesting is in your blood type. If you are a female and you've had a baby, then usually you know what your blood type is because you need to know what your child's blood type is. And so blood type is actually a combination of more than just two alleles. So if you have your blood type, or if you know your blood type, it can be O, it could be A, it could be B, or it could be AB. It's important to know because if you're ever going to get a blood transfusion, knowing what blood type you have is important. Or if you're ever going to donate blood, that's another thing that's important to know. And then you can have things like positives and negatives, which really only matter when you're giving birth to children. And so what we call this is multiple allelism. So this is where a single gene has more than two alleles. And the example of this is blood type. So each individual still only carries two alleles, but there's the possibility of getting more than just those two. So let me show you this right here. So multiple allelism occurs when there are three or more alleles for a gene in a population. An individual still only inherits two, one from each parent. So the three alleles that are possible in blood type, you can get an A from either your mom or from your dad. You can get a B from your mom or from your dad. Or you can get an O from your mom or your dad. And so the combinations, the way that those come together, is that if you get an A from your mom and an A from your dad, then you're going to be type A. If you get an A from your mom and an O from your dad, then you're still going to be type A. If you get a B from your mom and a B from your dad, then you're going to be type B. If you get a B from your mom and an O from your dad, then you're still going to be type B. If you get an A from your mom and a B from your dad, then you're going to be type AB, and that means you can really get blood from anyone. It would be good for you if you are type AB because you are the universal recipient. You can get blood from anyone. If you are type O, though, it's good if you go and give blood because if you're type O, you can give blood to anybody. And so type A can only get type A blood. Type B can only get type B blood. Type AB can get A, can get B, or can get O, and type O can only get from O. And so we have this mixture of possibilities of these different phenotypes based on 6 different genotypes. So this is where the genotypes are different than the 4 different possible phenotypes that we have. And so if you don't know what your blood type is, then when you go to give blood the next time, if you go give blood, which I think is a good thing, ask them to tell you, and they can tell you what your blood type is. So type O blood is considered the universal donor. Type AB blood is considered the universal acceptor. And so the reason that this looks the way that it does is because of these antigens that are those knobby little proteins that are around the outside of the blood cells. And so type A has A antigens here all around the outside of of the blood cell. Here we've got type B that has a different shaped antigen. We've got type AB that has both of them, and we have type O that has none of them. And so if you look through who they can donate to and who they can receive from, it's much better for you if you're type A, but it's much better if you donate type O, because if you're type O, you can give blood to anyone. If you're type A, you can get blood from anyone. So I'm actually going to stop here, and we'll pick up here next time. And if you need to talk to me about your exams or any of that good stuff, I was going to assign a homework today, but since somebody made me late, I didn't get the homework, so I will be giving homework on Thursday. So just so you know that that's going to happen. Yay!
Thank you.
You're so cute.
That's why everybody everybody keeps staring at me?
That's why everybody keeps staring at you. Because you're so shy.
I am not shy.
You are not shy.
Maybe you are.
Is it raining? Can anybody see outside? Aw. All right, pack it up there, mister.
Okay.
Hello.
I told you that last Thursday I was working so I couldn't take the exam.
Oh, okay. You're going to take it during the makeup time, though, right?
Yeah, no, I totally can't. I just wanted you to tell me when I could take it.
Yeah, the makeup time is during finals week,
Okay.
and so I will make sure to let you know before that.
Okay.
The study guide will still be the same. It'll still be the same exam, and so just be ready for it during the makeup time.
Okay, that's cool.
Good.
Thank you.
Good, good. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I was a little stressed there for a minute, but I have gotten over it.
He's an angel.
He is a very, very nice kid.
I won't be here on Thursday,
Okay?
so would you want me to email you on Wednesday so I can